Bathroom design ideas to transform your washroom. Are you looking for ways to spruce up your washroom? A well-designed bathroom can be a real showstopper and is the perfect way to add some style and personality to your home. Whether you're looking for ideas on a full remodel or just want to give your bathroom a bit of a refresh, here are our top tips and tricks for creating a bathroom with a serious wow factor. Paint colors and wallpaper. The right paint color or wallpaper will instantly transform the look of your bathroom. For subtle elegance, muted pastels are always a great choice. If you're after something more daring, bold colors like reds, blues, and greens can make an eye-catching statement. To break up large areas of color, consider adding some accent wallpapers in fun designs or classic patterns like stripes or floral prints. Lighting and mirrors. Good lighting is essential in any bathroom, so make sure that you invest in quality fixtures and have them professionally installed. To really draw attention to certain features, install backlighting behind mirrors and shelving units for extra drama. For more natural light in smaller bathrooms, consider installing larger windows if possible. Or if not, look for LED bulbs that mimic natural sunlight for a brightening effect. Mirrors are another great way to open the space and reflect existing light sources. The bigger the better. If you don't have enough wall space for a large mirror, try using multiple smaller ones grouped together instead. Also, consider splurging on one with an ornate frame. This will help tie together the overall look of your decorating scheme. Furniture and fixtures. The right furniture pieces can instantly elevate your room's style quotient while also providing much-needed storage solutions. If space allows it, opt for built-in cabinetry or floating shelves instead of standalone pieces, as these will create the illusion of more space while also helping keep clutter at bay. As far as fixtures go, choose pieces with sleek lines and minimal design details. This will help create a modern look that won't feel dated anytime soon. With just a few simple updates like paint colors, lighting accents, and furniture pieces, you can easily transform your washroom into an elegant oasis that will impress guests. By focusing on creating an inviting atmosphere with thoughtful design elements, you'll be able to enjoy your new bathroom space time after time, and maybe even inspire others in the process. Thanks for watching.